click on your image. At the top, go to Edit. In the Tools section, click on Upscale. Now this image has been upscaled automatically using the AI-powered tools that are built in within the Upscale app. So there are no further adjustments that you can make with this upscale tool. So I believe it's currently in the testing phase right now. So this is as good as it's going to get at the moment of this video. So if I reset the upscale to the original image, this is what it looks like without the upscale. And then with the upscale, this is what the new image looks like. So that's how you use the upscale feature. You may not notice a whole lot of differences, but I'm using one of the Canva photos that has been included in Canva. So you might want to try it with your own photo to see if your images have been upscaled or not. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.